back to another Minecraft video here today on the Spirit Planet. And yes, I have gone a little pay to win, not much, because yes, I have the one, the only, the new CC, and I'm going to be opening it right now. So drop a like and subscribe for this. This is awesome. If you've never opened a CC in my life, this is going to be amazing. I hope you guys really do enjoy this. So bam, let's open one. I don't want to. I got a big kit, yes. Okay, Sprite rank, it's all good. I got 3 fallen heroes, that's legit. Whew. Okay, back to jail. Nice, I love that. Okay, oh crap, I don't want to look too much at anything. To a legendary cosmic chest. I'll be opening one, selling one, of course. Boom, evolution kit. Phoenix, that is amazing. I think I might sell that, don't really know. And I'll be opening 2 because I get the mystery CCs. It's amazing also. Nice, Max Holmes. It's nice. I know you guys can't hear the sound also because like I have a really bad recorder. Whoops me. Mystery Cosmic Rake. Legitness. Okay, what else am I gonna get? What else went out? Alright, let's see. Forward on their tags. Okay, I can rock with that. 3 arena champions. I don't know how good those are, and I really did miss one. Whoops. What else am I gonna get? Soccer Bagels mixtape. Yes, I love. Holy. Oops. I forgot that was Mr. CC. I think I just glitched something. Holy patrollies. 2 galleys. Okay, no, I didn't glitch anything. That was legitness. Okay, I'm just gonna like go by 10 to this. 3. What else do I want to do? Soccer Bagels mixtape. I think I might just sell this too. Spray Link and 2 godlies. I think I might. Should I? Godlies. Yes. Blade Walker. Message. Yes. Message. CC. Nice. Okay. Alrighty, so about that noise. Message wish someone bought. Alrighty. I have literally so much money still, and I could do so much more, so I'm gonna open this. Shabam! We're gonna get December 2016. I don't know if this is good. Item. Good. Question mark? Message. Hold on. Message. Yes. Should I sell the December? I can't really see what's in it, so to follow what is. I think I'm gonna open it. Should I sell for Guardian? Oh my gosh. Guardian plus Elf rank. Captain. Gucci. Top rank. Good. I think I'm gonna sell this. Spawn. Question mark. Woo. I'm getting top rank from this, guys. Holy shiitake mushrooms. It's lit. Ow. Okay. If he's not gonna take this, I am going to. This kid thought I could easily ban him. So I'm just gonna go. Okay, someone open it. I'm opening it because I know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this up. Bam. Okay. Captain Crindy, you thought. Okay. Legendary Space Flare. Okay, Cozy Space. White Scroll. Nice, nice, nice. Spooky. Spooky, spooky. Spooky, spooky, spooky. Transmog. That's really bad. That's kinda okay, not really. Yeah, this guy, I know what he's doing, so. Winter Wonderland. 50 and spooky. Alright, let's hit this. Yeah. Okay. Food bam. Godly Space Flare. Nice, 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 nice. Alrighty, we have tons of god items. Okay, so we're gonna be selling. Okay, so SCP item offers question mark. So I'll be cutting right back to when we open them and I sell all these, so yeah, see you in a second. Alrighty guys, so we've sold everything, and as you can see I have like 20 mil and it's amazing. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this VKit, shabam. So slash VKit now I have the Phoenix and it has evolved to level 1. So we're just gonna tinker this because it's just kind of salty, so you know. Okay. Alrighty, whatever. I'm pretty cool now, cause you know. Alright, so I have tons of money, so I'm gonna do the chest. So ready, boom, legendary. Okay, so if you haven't seen Diagonal's like best strat is right here. Guys, this is really big. I've never Paladin. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're all good. I'm like super happy. I've never had 20 mil in my life. Yes, I am poor. I know. Right, scroll. Huh. Back scroll. Oh my god, that was so bad. But okay, now the godly. That was pretty bad luck for me. So I'm gonna do. Whatever that is. Okay, sorry, my Discords are going. Oh, there's evolution go. Holy shit! Shut up, Discord. Legendary pain. Okay. Alright. Okay. Action XP booster. 2 godly schools. 2 white schools. 3 to 1. Yes! 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 Oh my god. Whoa. From Godly. Okay. I got 3. Pretty. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Should I sell it? Oh, I'm debating on opening another god. Or not another godly. Bigger one. Selling the butcher. It's hard. What should I do? Yes. What a message. He said gladiator. I'm so taking that. Pigeon, yes. Such an block. Cup. Kick yourselves. Okay. This bag sucks. I don't know if he's gonna do it. I have it right here in my hand. Oh, I forgot I was even recording. Sorry, guys. Should I buy it? Yes, I bought it. Got him. Oh, tap. I don't freaking care if it's overpriced. Let's go. Okay. Dude, I don't care what this dude says. And we're gonna apply it. Let's go.